Hey guys, welcome to our Power Tools Pro. Today we're diving into 25 mind-blowing woodworking tools you probably didn't know existed. From precision planers to high-tech routers, these tools will change the way you work in your shop. Stick around to see all the incredible gear. The DEWALT 10-inch table saw is a powerhouse for any woodworking enthusiast. Its robust motor delivers precise cuts, whether ripping or cross-cutting. The compact design fits perfectly in smaller workshops, while the rack and pinion fence system ensures accuracy every time. Safety features, including a blade guard and anti-kickback pawls, give peace of mind during heavy-duty use. Ideal for both professionals and DIYers, this table saw makes your projects faster, cleaner, and more efficient. A true game-changer for precision woodcutting. The Cheng 20-volt brushless hammer drill combines power and portability. Its brushless motor delivers longer runtime and smoother operation, while the hammer function allows you to drill into tougher materials like concrete or brick. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces fatigue during extended use. The adjustable speed settings provide maximum control for precision drilling. Whether installing shelves or building furniture, this versatile tool makes heavy-duty projects simple and efficient, making it a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast. The Jellas belt sander is perfect for quickly smoothing large surfaces. Its high-torque motor delivers consistent sanding performance, and the adjustable speed settings allow you to handle both delicate and rough surfaces with ease. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use. Dust collection features keep your workspace clean, saving time on cleanup. Ideal for furniture refinishing, shaping wood, or preparing surfaces for finishing, this belt sander is a professional-grade tool for anyone serious about woodworking. BORA Workhorse sawhorses provide a stable, durable platform for any project. Designed to hold heavy loads securely, these sawhorses are perfect for cutting, sanding, or assembling large pieces of wood. Their foldable design allows easy storage and transport. Made from premium materials, they withstand tough job site conditions without compromising stability. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, these versatile workhorses make woodworking projects safer and more efficient, giving you a solid foundation for every build. The RUITOOL Japanese handsaw delivers ultra-precise cuts with minimal effort. Its razor-sharp teeth cut on the pull stroke, reducing splintering and improving control. Lightweight and balanced, it allows for long sessions without fatigue. Perfect for joinery, cabinetry, or fine woodworking, this saw is a must-have for achieving clean and accurate cuts. With its high-quality steel blade and ergonomic handle, it blends tradition with performance, making it ideal for woodworkers who demand precision in every cut. The Kakuri handheld router plane is essential for achieving smooth, level surfaces and precise grooves. Lightweight yet durable, it lets you control the depth of cuts with incredible accuracy. Ideal for recessing hinges or cleaning mortises, this tool makes tasks that are usually tricky easy. The sharp blade glides through wood effortlessly, and the comfortable handle ensures stability during use. A simple but powerful addition to any woodworking kit, it helps achieve professional-level precision in every project. The Kakuri wood marking gauge is perfect for accurate layout work. Its adjustable fence and durable marking pin allow for consistent lines, helping you measure and mark wood with confidence. Ideal for mortises, tenons, or other joinery tasks, it ensures precise cuts and perfect fit. The ergonomic design makes it easy to use for extended periods, and the solid build guarantees longevity. Essential for any woodworker who wants flawless measurements, this tool saves time and reduces errors significantly. The Milescraft Sand-It sanding block makes smoothing surfaces effortless. Its multi-surface design adapts to contours, corners, and edges for uniform sanding. Lightweight and comfortable, it reduces fatigue while providing superior control. Perfect for finishing projects, removing old paint, or preparing wood for staining, it ensures an even, professional look. Compatible with different grit papers, it's a versatile addition to any workshop. This simple yet effective tool transforms your sanding process, making every project cleaner and more polished. The WETOLS corner clamp is ideal for assembling picture frames, cabinets, or boxes. Its durable metal construction holds pieces firmly at precise angles, allowing for accurate gluing or screwing. Easy to adjust and lightweight, it ensures stability without cumbersome setups. Perfect for both DIY projects and professional workshops, it improves the quality of corner joints. With this clamp, you can maintain perfect alignment during assembly, saving time and ensuring professional results every time. Titebond 3 Ultimate Wood Glue is a professional-grade adhesive trusted by woodworkers worldwide. Waterproof and heat-resistant, it provides a strong, durable bond for interior and exterior projects. Easy to apply and sandable, it dries clear, maintaining the beauty of your woodwork. Ideal for furniture, cabinetry, or outdoor projects, it ensures joints stay intact even under stress. Non-toxic and FDA approved for indirect food contact, it's safe to use and provides exceptional reliability for all woodworking applications.
The Jorgensen 3.5-inch mini wood planer is a compact, powerful tool perfect for smoothing small surfaces and shaping wood with precision. Its ergonomic design allows easy handling, while the sharp blades ensure clean, accurate results every time. Ideal for furniture, cabinetry, or hobby projects, this planer gives professional-level finishing in a compact package. Lightweight and easy to store, it's an essential addition to any woodworker's toolkit. Small yet mighty, it transforms rough wood into smooth, ready-to-use surfaces efficiently. This 14-piece Spade drill bit set from Jorgensen is ideal for making large, clean holes in wood quickly. Each bit is precision-engineered for smooth entry and reduced splintering, making it perfect for furniture building, cabinetry, and construction projects. The set covers multiple sizes to handle different applications, and the high-quality steel ensures long-lasting performance. Lightweight yet durable, this set simplifies drilling tasks, saving both time and effort for woodworkers of all levels. The Seesii Mini Circular Saw is compact but powerful, designed for precise straight cuts in wood, plywood, or MDF. Its lightweight body makes it easy to handle, while the sharp blade ensures smooth, accurate results. Perfect for small workshops, DIY projects, or hobbyists, it excels in both speed and control. Safety features like blade guards reduce risk during operation. Whether cutting boards or making angled cuts, this mini saw delivers professional results without taking up too much space. The AUXTUR cabinet hardware jig simplifies drawer and cabinet installations. With precise alignment guides, it ensures perfect placement of handles and knobs every time. The durable construction guarantees long-lasting accuracy, while the ergonomic design makes repetitive tasks easy and efficient. Ideal for DIYers and professionals alike, this jig reduces errors and saves time during hardware installation. With the AUXTUR cabinet hardware jig, every drawer and cabinet handle will be perfectly aligned for a clean, professional look. The AUXTUR sharpening stone keeps blades, chisels, and other cutting tools razor sharp. Its dual grit design allows coarse sharpening for dull blades and fine honing for a polished edge. Durable and easy to use, it improves cutting performance and extends the life of your tools. Perfect for woodworking, carpentry, or general DIY projects, this sharpening stone is essential for maintaining precision. With consistent use, it ensures smooth, effortless cuts every time, making woodworking faster, cleaner, and more professional. The Sarker Carpenter Square tool ensures precise right angles for accurate measurements and layouts. Made from durable materials, it withstands heavy use in workshops and job sites. Its clear markings make it easy to measure, mark, and cut wood with confidence. Ideal for framing, cabinetry, and furniture making, this tool is a staple for any woodworker. With its sturdy construction and reliable accuracy, the Sarker Carpenter Square helps you achieve perfect alignment, saving time and reducing costly mistakes in your projects. The Sarker Woodworking Scriber T-Square ruler combines measuring and marking into one versatile tool. Its T-shaped design provides perfect alignment for straight cuts, while the Scriber ensures accurate marking on wood surfaces. Durable and easy to use, it's perfect for joinery, cabinetry, and furniture projects. Lightweight yet strong, this tool helps woodworkers maintain precision and efficiency. With the Sarker T-Square ruler, every cut and mark is consistent, improving the quality and professional finish of your woodworking projects. The Sarker multifunction scribing tool is designed for tracing patterns, marking edges, and transferring measurements with precision. Its adjustable features allow it to adapt to various tasks, from woodworking to carpentry. Made from durable materials, it ensures long-lasting accuracy. Both for professional woodworkers and hobbyists, this tool reduces errors and speeds up project completion. With its versatility and reliability, the Sarker multifunction scribing tool is an essential addition to any workshop, helping achieve precise, professional quality results in every project. HORUSDY 8-pack bar clamps provide firm, adjustable clamping for gluing, assembling, or securing wood pieces. Their durable construction withstands heavy use, and the easy-to-adjust screw mechanism ensures quick, accurate clamping. Perfect for woodworking, furniture building, and cabinetry, these clamps hold pieces securely in place, allowing glue or screws to set without shifting. Lightweight yet sturdy, they're a practical addition to any workshop, improving efficiency and ensuring tight, reliable joints for professional quality projects. The MAXMAN sandpaper sanding block makes surface finishing quick and efficient. Its ergonomic design allows comfortable handling while sanding, and the versatile block adapts to flat surfaces, edges, and contours. Ideal for furniture, DIY projects, or fine woodworking, it ensures smooth, even finishes. Compatible with various sandpaper grits, it provides flexibility for rough or fine sanding tasks. Durable and lightweight, the MAXMAN sanding block is an essential tool for achieving professional quality results in any woodworking project.
The Necamocu edge banding trimmer provides precise trimming of edge banding materials for furniture and cabinetry. Its sharp, durable blade ensures clean, smooth edges without damaging the surface. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's easy to use and control, reducing fatigue during long projects. Perfect for professionals and DIYers alike, this tool enhances the finish and appearance of cabinetry, giving a polished, professional look. With the Necamocu trimmer, edge banding becomes quick, accurate, and hassle-free. The LIBRATON wood chisel set is perfect for carving, shaping, and smoothing wood. Each chisel features a sharp, durable blade for precise cuts, while the ergonomic handles provide comfort and control. Ideal for joinery, cabinetry, and detailed woodworking, this set allows both beginners and professionals to achieve clean, accurate results. With proper maintenance, the chisels maintain their sharpness, making them reliable tools for years of woodworking projects. Essential for creating tight joints and detailed designs, this set is a must-have in any workshop. YURINWOO wood carving tools are designed for intricate woodworking and fine detail work. Each tool has a sharp, precise blade for effortless cutting, shaping, and sculpting. The ergonomic handles ensure comfort during long carving sessions, while the durable construction guarantees longevity. Perfect for hobbyists and professional carvers, this set allows the creation of detailed furniture accents, decorative pieces, and custom wood designs. With YURINWOO carving tools, you can elevate your craftsmanship and achieve professional-level artistry in every project. The AVID Power compact router tools are lightweight yet powerful, perfect for trimming, shaping, and detailing wood. Adjustable speed settings provide control over precision cuts, while the ergonomic design ensures comfortable operation. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture, or decorative woodworking, this router handles delicate tasks with ease. Durable and versatile, it's suitable for professional workshops and home DIY projects. With the AVID Power router, every cut is smooth, accurate, and clean, helping you achieve high-quality results in your woodworking projects. The Terwex custom electric branding iron allows woodworkers to personalize projects with precision. It heats quickly and evenly, creating sharp, permanent imprints on wood surfaces. Ideal for marking logos, initials, or decorative designs, it adds a professional touch to furniture, signs, and craft pieces. Lightweight and easy to use, it's safe for repeated use while providing consistent results.
perfect for DIYers and professionals. The Terwex branding iron transforms plain wood projects into custom, high-quality creations with ease. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed exploring these 25 mind-blowing woodworking tools. If you want more tips, tool reviews, and woodworking hacks, make sure to subscribe to Power Tools Pro and hit the bell icon. Keep creating, stay safe, and see you in the next video.